Alright, good morning, geometry guys. It's our last day review for our test tomorrow. Don't forget, those who are being disruptive during this review loses their orange sheet privileges. Alright, so now as it states right here, use AI for this section and didn't check it. So if you didn't have number 4 written down after it had been up here the whole time, I mean, that's just a whole new level of laziness that I just don't understand. Alright, in a parallelogram, opposite side angles are now when I'm asking a question like this, y'all can actually answer and it'd still be okay. So congruent. Okay, opposite side angles are congruent. Now, diagonals of a rectangle are also congruent. In a rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay. Number 4 was already up here, supplementary or 180. Okay. And then number 5, a trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel lines. Now, there are at least 2 different versions of the test tomorrow. One of them has a part 1 where it's like this, and then a part 2 which is, other one. The other one is just all one part, and then you have to answer these vocabulary questions before you actually set them up or solve them. Okay, now you still have a word bank. Alright, now as of right now, again, there's only 2 versions. Could be more. Okay, be fine by me. Alright, so part 2, this one. How do we set this up for X? Well, and I'm at least, as y'all are doing whatever the heck y'all were doing earlier, nobody asked me if these add up to 180. I don't understand how sides add up to 180. Alright, so X is 2. Now to set up for Y, 7y equals 6x plus 9. Now, if you went ahead and plugged in the 2 right here, that's fine. 7y equals 12 plus 9. 7y equals 21. Bless you. So y is 3. All right. So now something like this, if you have right now the test B, it says something like opposite sides of this thing are what, and you would put congruent, and you'd have to set it up like that. Okay. All right, that was number 5. Number 6, it says set up and don't solve. Hopefully everybody read that today. Now, I know a lot of y'all did not use your notes for this because this is actually from your notes. Either a notes or a practice day. And yes, you'll have some where it's set up and don't solve. All right. So that was that problem. Moving on to the next one. Yes, we all hear you thumping your Sprite bottle. I'm pretty sure you can share that with Coach Jeffries here after this period. Now, in a kite, by the way, one test has the actual name of the quadrilateral on there. On a kite, the opposite right here, these are actually congruent. You know, I could actually change test A to look more like test B. That would be awesome. And then everybody would be in a panic. Yes. Off on my way to ruin someone's day. Gonna make them cry. Test anxiety's high. Okay, so now if these two are congruent, it wouldn't matter which one you plug it into. You could plug it into 7x minus 4. You're going to get the same thing as this right here. Why? Because they're set up equal to each other. Okay, both of them you should get 80 degrees. All right. Are we good with this problem right here? All right, so number 8. (2). Well, this is 12 plus 24 is 36 divided by 2. This would be 18. All right, and our last problem on this. All right, 2 of these angles are the easiest to find. Which one are they? Which ones are they? 1 and 3, because 1 is 90. And 3 is 52, because these bisect. Okay, so this would be 180 minus 90 plus 52. Okay, this is 38 degrees. Now, that's practice test. Now, this is actually what I would, as a suggestion, this is what I would have on my orange sheet. I would have the definitions from the practice test A notes, okay, and, you know, A and notes. Like, I could actually be pulling problems from your actual notes and putting them on the test. I've done that before. And then part 2, I would have examples from both practice tests. Now, it's 10:41. You don't get out of here to 10:49, and everybody's packing up like you're about to get in a three-point stance and be Usain Bolt going out the door. That's not going to happen. All right, so So y'all just have the day you'll have.